Hello, and welcome to Speak English with John podcast. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt lost at an airport? You stand there with your bag, hearing announcements in English, people walking fast, signs everywhere, and you don't know what to say or where to go. Maybe you try to ask for help, but the words don't come out, or you understand nothing when someone speaks quickly. It's frustrating, it's stressful, and sometimes it even feels a little scary. I've seen this happen many times with tourists, immigrants, exchange students. That moment when they wish they had just a few simple English phrases to survive the airport. That's why I created today's lesson. You'll hear common airport sentences, repeat after me, and train your pronunciation for real travel situations. Just listen, pause, and speak. Ready? In this lesson, you'll learn how to speak clearly and naturally at the airport. You'll practice useful sentences to check in, go through security, ask for help, order food, and talk to immigration officers. We'll focus on short, complete phrases that you can use with confidence, even if your English is basic. No complicated grammar, no long vocabulary lists, just real, helpful English that prepares you for real situations, step by step. Because the airport isn't a classroom, it's real life, and you need real English to move through it calmly. Why is it important? Because for many people, the airport is where their English is truly tested. It's not about being fluent, it's about being ready. You don't want to feel blocked at security, lost at your gate, or confused at immigration. You want to speak clearly, understand simple instructions, and feel in control. Learning these phrases helps you avoid stress, save time, and show confidence, even if you only speak a little English. You'll stop depending only on signs or translators. You'll start talking, asking, responding. And that's how your English grows, one real situation at a time. Let's start with phrases for check-in and airport security. You'll hear simple verbs like need, have, show, and words like ticket, passport, and bag. I need to check in for my flight. Now, you repeat. Here is my passport and my ticket. Now you repeat. I have one suitcase and one backpack. I'm flying to New York today. My flight number is on the paper. Where is the check-in counter? Can I have a window seat, please? I want to check this bag. Do I need to remove my shoes? This is my carry-on bag. I don't have any liquids. Here is my boarding pass. I'm traveling alone today. Please put your bag on the belt. The security line is moving fast. Great job! Now you know how to talk during check-in and security. Now let's learn how to ask for help or directions at the airport. You'll use phrases with where, how, when, and common answers. Where is the boarding gate? How do I get to Terminal B? Can you help me, please? Where can I find a bathroom? When does the boarding start? Is this the right gate for my flight? Where can I charge my phone? How long is the wait? Can I drink this water? Where is the nearest coffee shop? I don't understand this sign. Is there free Wi-Fi here? What time does the plane leave? Who can I ask for help? Can I go through this door? Well done. These phrases will help you feel more confident asking questions. Let's practice ordering food and drinks at the airport. You'll use verbs like want, have, like, and words like coffee, sandwich, water. I want a coffee with milk. Can I have a sandwich, please? How much is the bottle of water? Do you have any vegetarian food? I'd like a small orange juice. Is this meal hot or cold? Can I pay with my card? Do you have change for cash? I'm looking for something sweet. I need a quick snack before my flight. Can I get that to go? Is there a table to sit down? Do you sell fruit or yogurt? This coffee is too hot to drink. I want something with no sugar. Good work! Now you can order food and drink with ease at any airport cafe. Now, let's practice phrases used while waiting at the gate. You'll hear phrases to ask about time, boarding, and seats. What time is the boarding? Is this flight on time? I'm waiting at gate 12. They just made an announcement. What group is boarding now? Do I need my passport again? I hope my seat is near the front. There are many people here. Can I sit here while I wait? I'm flying for the first time. That is my name on the screen. Can I change my seat now? Why is the flight delayed? I don't understand the message. I'm ready to board the plane. Great job! You're ready for clear communication at the gate. Let's end with phrases when you arrive and go through immigration. You'll use clear answers to common questions. I just arrived from Brazil. I'm here for a vacation. I will stay for 2 weeks. This is my first time here. I have my hotel address. I'm visiting friends and family. I don't have any food or plants. I packed my own bags. I have no problem to answer. Here is my return ticket. I speak only a little English. My bags are on the carousel. Where is the exit? Thank you for your help. I'm happy to be here. Excellent. You've now practiced how to speak clearly during your entire airport experience. Now, repeat after me as I tell you a short airport story. Let's go step by step with easy sentences. I arrive at the airport 3 hours early. I go to the check-in counter with my bag. I show my passport and get my ticket. Then I walk to the security check. I put my phone and keys in the tray. After that, I look for something to eat. I buy a coffee and sit near the gate. Soon I hear the boarding call. I show my ticket and walk to the plane. I sit down, relax, and wait for takeoff. Before we finish, let's say 3 positive affirmations. These will help you stay motivated and focused on your English journey. I'm proud of my effort and focus today. I speak English with more confidence each time. My pronunciation gets better every day. Amazing work today. You just practiced how to speak English in real travel situations. Now, go to the comments and write, "My next trip is to," and then your destination. Watch this video again for review, and check out the next video on the screen. See you next time. Bye for now.